Hi, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To all of my returning viewers, welcome back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now guys, today we are going to be celebrating VaShawn La'King Moore, I call him Fat-Fat, 3 years old birthday celebrations. And right now we are at Cici's Pizza. Okay, and we are waiting in line, waiting for them to, take our money, but Cici's Pizza is so slow. Okay, so as we are waiting, we noticing that, hey, there's no food on the bar, guys. When I said no food on the bar, all of the pizza bread, desserts, they are gone. The only thing left is just look like some olives or something left on the salad bar, but you better can see it because it's almost out. And so as we are waiting here, just waiting, no one came back to take our order, for a while. But I couldn't believe that. Oh wow, I never seen this place so empty of food, and people were sitting down waiting on pizza. And so finally the guy came back to the cash register, and he took my daughter and my son-in-law, he took their money, and he gave them their cup so they can get them something to drink, soda pop. But he was still taking money. So I'm going like, why is he still taking money? He know there's no food. Because I was ready to go, because I don't like paying my money when I don't see no food on the bar. So I was asking him, I said, are there any pizza coming out? And he said, yes, we have 4 coming out. 4 pizza on an empty pizza bar, okay? And you got people sitting down watching the bar like, okay, I've been waiting, so I'm gonna jump up and get this pizza as soon as they put it out here. So, and then he was saying like, oh, it is not our fault. It's not our fault because, we don't have nobody to work and we out of pizza. He was just trying to put it on everybody else like it was our fault because he was out of pizza. And I'm going like, well, it's not our fault because you guys are out of pizza, okay? So, but anyway, we didn't stay, but he made my daughter family, pay for their soda pop. In other words, he wouldn't refund their money back after we waited for a while, and he still hadn't taken our offer. So we decided we're going to go to Pizza Hut and give them a try, okay?
How old are you? 2. You 3? Good, how old are you? Say 3. King, how old are you? Say 3. King, you 3? Say 3.
So here we are at Pizza Hut, and my son-in-law and daughter, they have already ordered the food for the kids, and we are just waiting for them to bring the pizza out, okay? And as you can see, it's empty in this place. It's like we are the only ones here, just maybe a couple other people sitting down waiting on their pizza. But anyway, we are just sitting here and just watching my grandson, and he is just talking and having fun. I don't think he even knows that today is his birthday. He probably just looking at today as a day of just being with the family. But anyway, he turned 3 on July the 8th, okay? And then my son's birthday was on July the 5th. All right, so we got 2 family members close by. I mean, we have other family members that's birthday is on the 5th as well, and also on the 9th. But anyway, we are just sitting here, and it's nothing like a family time out. So we taking this time to just spend some quality time together with my daughter and her husband and her children, well, my grandchildren, my son. Here's my grandson right there, my son, my grandson, my granddaughter right there. So now we have the pizza, and they are sitting down eating the pizza, and my grandson is enjoying his pizza, guys. But tomorrow they are going to be heading out to Point Maryw Water Park, and they are going to spend the day there. Now, I am not going because, hey, it is hot out there, and I do not do hot sun, okay? I run away from the sun, trying to stand the heat, because, you know, they are going to be out there in the water, but I was not going to get in the water, so I just stayed at the house and just let them went out and continue to celebrate Fat-Fat's birthday. Okay, here's my husband right here. He's sitting to the table by himself. He eating his pizza. So by now, guys, everyone is gone except for us. And so after this pizza, we're gonna pick it up tomorrow evening, where we're going to go ahead on and give him his little gifts. He already has some gifts that was given to him by his parents. Yeah, I like that. Yes.
Sam did a good job. Good.
Guys, Fat-Fat, he's fascinated about helicopters. So we made sure we went over the place and we found him a helicopter. So I'm going to let you listen as he enjoying his helicopter.
Oh, your dad has figured it out. Come back there with us? Yep. Nemo, go down there to it.
Okay.
Yeah, Fat-Fat President, I want to walk out through. That's that boy, he holler every day. Helicopter. Who, me? Uh-huh, I talked to Dr. about it. But they told me I had to. He told me the hard doctor. You want to make something like today?
Oh! Fat-Fat! It scared him.
He said my muscles. See?
Yeah, now.
Look. Yeah, because you know what, when I take something right there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I'll be scared too.
You're right, daughter.
Is that close?
If you're going to do it, you got to do like this. Look, you got to do like this. Oh, he's going to have fun with that for days.
He don't keep dropping it.
Look at it. Hold your head out. Hold your head out. Yeah, copper. Hold it out, okay? Hold it out. Oh, boy, I heard that so much at the house. Like this. Do that.
And playing with all my ceiling fans. He turned all the ceiling fans on. And told me, helicopter.
Just do it like this. All right, now, you ain't got to grab it. Just hold it like that. Oh, right there. Oh, right there. Helicopter? Helicopter? Fat-Fat, what's that? Uh-huh. See, I went searching for that. This is my baby need right here.
Helicopter? She loves helicopters.
Nemo, your daddy getting good with it, ain't he?
Yeah. First he didn't know what to do.
He loves his helicopter, guys.
Hey,
Huh?
you better watch it. He'll be enough. Y'all hear something in the house? Bam.
Now he ain't gonna be able to get access to it.
Hey, Bison, they got good at it.
Oh, good.
Hey, Bison. Matter of fact, I think your daddy more. I think we bought it for your daddy than you. Your daddy enjoying it. Now, Boogie good at that drone. Boogie probably not direct.
Yeah.
But Bison, you done got good at it. Look at this. Watch out, ant bed. Come here. Get back. That's an ant bed right there. Get off of that. Get off of that.
He stepped on it. Go that way.
Oh. Boil you some water. Get you some Dawn detergent. Pour it over in the water. Let it boil. And pour it on the ants. It'll get rid
Does
of
it have to be done?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
Helicopter.
I'm an Ajax.
Helicopter.
Look back this way.
Every night in the tail spin.
Yeah, you can see it say, I read something about you gotta turn it counterclockwise motion.
Okay. And you know what? That's what's making it hover too. You know your gutter stopped up?
Yeah. It's ripped. That's just sitting right there, I believe.
Yes, it's on the other side.
You almost there. Come back out here, man.
Did you hear that over there?
What you gonna have right here? I'm not. Yeah.
Yeah, that's your job, Bison.
We brought it for you. For yours.
I got some tire stuff on my hair.
This is Vanaya. Look at Vanaya. There go Vanaya. There go Vanaya from the tip of her toes to the top of her head.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, you know that.
Now we are back in the house in Fat's room, and we are playing, well, they are playing with the basketball that he received for his birthday. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed your stay as we celebrated VaShawn La'King Moore birthday. And so, guys, if you have not subscribed, go ahead on and do so at this time. I would love to have you as part of the family. Hit the notification bell. Give me a like, okay? So, I thank you for hanging out with me. So, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.